Hi guys, today I'll show you some everyday carry items which can be quite useful. Let's start off with this nice self-defense ring. Quite sturdy metal design. For everyday situations you can wear it with the spikes inside. Just be careful when you give somebody a handshake. It can be a nasty surprise. When needed, you just twist this around. That'll be also a nasty surprise, but more to somebody's face. You know what to do when you're stopped by the police? Well, you can say you're a fan. Let me see if I can take this off. You're a fan of cats. And it's a cat support group ring. Another fun toy is this set of utility keys. Nice compact design. Most people prepare for s.h.t.f with knives, a whole bunch of different wilderness survival tools. The truth is, you most likely will be in the city. In that case, it's quite useful to have something that will allow you to get into all those utility boxes, water supply boxes, electrical cabinets. So you have an electrical cabinet key like this here, or a square design. Some of the keys you can use, like this one, to turn the water faucets when somebody removes the handle. You also got a Phillips screwdriver, a regular screwdriver, one of this here has a hex socket inside where you can just fit it in. For convenience, it splits into two pieces. It has a magnetic attachment here. You've got a square bit here, one of those semi-circular ones here. Also, this steel cable, you can twist it open, attach it to your keys, use it as a keychain. You can attach one of your other EDC items to this for convenience. Quite useful thing. You can get them quite cheaply at a link I'll show you below. And the last item is this outdoor, spelled A-O-T-D-D-O-R, EDC item. So we've got some hex key opening here where you can use it to unscrew hex nuts. You've got a screwdriver end. Plus, it's a pretty good self-defense item. As you can see, you can conveniently hold it. It's very good for punching when you meet any desperado, especially when you meet a desperado like this. This part becomes very useful. Cheers. So of course I'll provide you the links to all the items below. Take care, comment, and show what's your everyday carry.